Dear students, welcome to our channel Online Class with Emma. Today we are going to see the English workbook of Class 8 remaining worksheet 11 to worksheet 22. Worksheet 11 phrasal verb and homonyms. First one B option, second route, ticket, ROUTE, third one B option, fourth one she had blackout and couldn't remember anything after the accident. Then fifth one A, I will pick up you if you like. Pick up for A. Then next, what time does your plan get in the airport? Get in. B, hang on, I will just check on the ticket. It arrives on 20:45. Hang on. Okay, if I set off at about 8 p.m. I will be there on time. Set off. Sixth one, just kick off all the problems in your life. Answer for sixth one. Then seventh one, answers are here. For first one, sun, you can write it here, sun, where it is given 1. Copy it. Alex is my son. Second one, I would like to eat ice cream. Third one, beginning of salutation in a letter, dear. More than one, some. Then down, across answers are here. Then down answers are, first one, it shines bright in the sky. The answer is sun. Second one, I dash a letter to him. Right. Fifth one, is this the right one or wrong one? Right. Sixth one, dash is obtained from tree. Wood. Seventh one, the lion chases the dash, deer. Eighth one, adding two numbers gives this sum. Copy this. Then eighth one, A, his grandfather died. Instead of that, you should write passed away. Passed away. Then next B, all the brothers and sisters have good relationship with each other. Relationship they have underlined. Instead of that, you should write get along. Here is the answer, get along. Passed away for A. Then ninth one, Sonu is a farmer and he has to get up early in the morning. He helps his wife to clean up his house before he leaves to the farm. Two his friends gave up farming. Somu never thought of give up from farming. His wife asks him to have his breakfast but he asked her to hang on for a while. Hang on. Here gave up. Then 10th one, idle. She sits idle the whole day doing nothing. They asked to find the sentence for homonyms for idol and next idol. People in India worship idols. Then worksheet number 12, tenses. First one, I shall have completed my assignment by afternoon. They told to underline the verbs in the sentence. So completed is the verb. The tense of the sentence is future. Future is the answer. Next B, past. Past tense. Thrown is a verb and past is tense. Then second one, the letter dash yesterday. B option, was posted yesterday. Then third one, A, play. The answer is the kids were playing till dawn. B, it was raining heavily yesterday. Then fourth one, tick the A option, she was a tolerant person. Then fifth one, they have finished their work. They told to change it to past perfect tense. So they had finished their work. Next, develop a story in simple past tense using the following clues. They have given some clues. We should form a paragraph in that story. I will read it. It was a hot summer's day. A thirsty crow flew into a village in search of water. He searched water everywhere but didn't find any water. After a long time, he came across a farm. Under one of the trees on the farm was a pot of water. Under one of the trees on the farm, I have written it 2 times, sorry. Then, happy that he found some water finally, he quickly moved towards the pot and looked inside. There was very little water in the pot. The crow put his beak but could not. The water level was too low. He looked around and collected small stones and put them. The water level started to rise and the crow drank the water happily. This is the answer for 6th question. Then 7th one, fill up this. A, we don't sing. We don't sing. Then B, he was there. C, where they playing. Then 8th, rewrite the paragraph using simple future tense. You can rewrite it. I have marked it where we should change the simple future tense. They told to change it to simple future tense. So I have written it. I will walk. I will walk. And then my friends Raina and Rani will accompany me. Will. They will come. They will come. Then we will leave. We will leave. Then our teacher will join us near the bus stop. Will join. Then we will reach. The school will start at 8:45 a.m. Rewrite it. The ninth one, frame a sentence in present perfect continuous tense. I have been studying the old days. Answer for ninth question. Then 10th one, A. Suji dash. They have given jog. They told to form verb. So jogs. Suji jogs. She will achieve. She will achieve. Future perfect. They told to write in future perfect, here simple present. So here jogs, here will achieve. Then worksheet 13. First one, anagram is a word or phrase created by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase. Underline silent, listen. Underline these two words, silent, listen. Then B, Elvis lives. They come in same spelling but different words. That is mean by anagram. Silent, listen. Same spelling but different words. Elvis lives. Below elbow. Then second one, mark it as EDACB. EDACB. Then third one, ors. They told to find the anagram for that. Shore. HOE. Shore. Smile. Miles. 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 Bread. The answer is beard. BEARD. Then fourth one, A least, tails, steel, stale. B tops, spot, post, stop. Parts, spare, asper, pierce. Here also they told to write the anagrams words with the same spellings. Answers for fourth one. Then fifth one, they told to find the picture. They are given the clues. The answer for A is heart. Then B is earth. Then B, meet. C, sorry, no C. A group of players, team. Then sixth one, market, BEDAC. BEDAC. These are the correct pairs. BEDAC. Then seventh one, with the word no we should form a sentence. We know that it will end soon. Except, I hate everything except this. Loss, he will never lose the match. Lose. This is lose. We should pronounce it as lose here. Lose. He will never lose the match. Then eighth one, we should form a sentence by using this word whose. Whose house is this? This is the answer for A. Then B, whose. Who's the hero of the film? There's the difference between that. Who's the hero of the film? Next. Ninth one, the past tense of leap. Past tense of leap is leaped. A place to wash dishes. Where we will wash dishes? Sink. Then something to serve food on. In what we will serve the food? Using plate we will serve the food. So the answer is plate. What covers her body? Her body is covered by skin. The answer is skin here. Then 10th one, a funeral. Antigrams. They have told to find the antigrams. With the same spelling, we should form a word. Real fun. Harmfulness, fun, harmless. Then worksheet number 14. First one, Vasu said that. That is the answer. Then for B, Rina asked a friend whether she would come the next day. Then second one, Naveen shouted to let him go. This is the correct form of pronoun. Next, B, Rani exclaimed sadly that dash was done. She was done. Then third one, tick the B option. B is the correct answer. Fourth one, B option. Then fifth one, the guide said stay away from the edge of this cliff. We should convert into reported speech. So the answer is the guide wanted to stay away from the edge of the cliff. The guide wanted to stay away from the edge of the cliff. Sixth one, Linda questioned a teacher when she would give the results. This is the answer for sixth one. Then seventh answer is, he asked me whether I know where the post office was. This is the answer for seventh one. Then eighth one, the answer is, mother asked her son whether the next day was the sun. Sorry, mother asked her son whether the next day was a holiday. I have written it down, holiday. Then the son said that it was Tamil New Year and it was a holiday. Mother asked her son whether the next day was a holiday. The son said that it was a Tamil New Year and it was a holiday. Next, ninth one. The teacher, not teacher, teacher. The teacher asked Raju why he was absent the before days. Raju said her that he had cold and fever. He couldn't inform her earlier. The teacher said that it was okay and asked him to take care of his health. This is the answer for ninth question. Then 10th one, the answer is, Babu said to Gopi, where are you going? They told to convert it into direct speech. So Babu said to Gopi, "Where are you going?" Gopi said, "I'm going to the market." This is the answer for 10th one. Then worksheet 15. First one, why were the girl's friend rude in the behavior? The girl's friend were rude since they received obscene messages and videos from her account. They thought she sent them this. Then second one, how did the girl solve the problem? The girl spoke to her friends about the issue and sorted it out. Then third one, what will you do if you come across such a situation? I would complain to cyber cell about my account being hacked. I would explain to my friends about the same. This is the answer for third one. Then fourth one, in the same format you should write it down. GHSS Ammayappan notice 4th November 2021. It is to hereby inform that the school will conduct a drawing competition on 14th November 2021 on regard of Children's Day. Interested students may register their names to me on 12th November 2021. Shalini, School People Leader. Copy it down. Then fifth one, how are you? How are you? Then year 5, they're nearby. Educational, museums, monuments, 4000, dining, joining, friends, can you? Write it down. Then sixth one answer is 30th April 2021, Ravi, 9 am. Ravi, no. Today's musical class will be suspended since our teacher is not well. Instead, it will be held on Sunday. Ravi. Answer for sixth one. Seventh one, today I joined my new school. It was a beautiful experience. Today was my first day in my new school. At the beginning, I was nervous about how my new school will be. But when I went there, all were very friendly. I even got new friends. The teachers were also kind to me. I like the infrastructure of the school very much. I feel very happy to study in my new school. Bye, diary. Answer for seventh one. Eighth one, what is password? A password is a string of characters used to verify the identity of a user during the authentication. This is the answer for eighth one. Then ninth one, tick the A option. Then 10th one, choose strong passwords, make online purchases from secure sites. They asked 2 points for cyber safety, so we have written it. Worksheet 16. First one C option, second one B option, then second Roman letter, third one A option, fourth one C option, then third Roman letter. Did he? Instead of that you should write could he. Then isn't it? It is wrong. Isn't he? Seventh one, first option. Then B, C option. For B they asked dash, don't they? The option is C. Then look at the pictures. They are dash, aren't they? Then the boy is studying, isn't he? Then 10th one, shall we? Shall we? Then isn't it? Will you? Then worksheet 17. First one, they told to underline the main clauses in the following sentence. First one, while. You should underline while. Second one, I like. Like. You should underline like and. Then second Roman letter. Third one, complex. Fourth one, compound. Then here simple. A, the fox licked up his soul quickly. Soup quickly. The stork devoured the soup from her vase. Then I wrote it without knowing. You can write it as it is. Second one, compound. She reached the fox home on time and knocked at the door with a long break. B, the stork was upset but she didn't show her anger and behaved politely. Then third one, complex. As the bowl was too shallow for the stork, she couldn't have the soup at all. B, to teach a lesson to the fox, she invited him for dinner the next day. These are the answers. Then sixth one, A, you should write, put comma and write hand. Then B, put comma and write yet in the gloomy place. Then C, homework, put comma and write but. Then seventh one, A, second option, B, third option, C, first option. Then eighth one, A, I didn't drink it. B, he was very simple. C, she was naughty. Then for ninth one, he can swim very fast. Then 10th one, the boy often dreams when he sleeps. Then worksheet 18. First one C option, second one B option. Then second Roman letter. Third one, she informed her aunt about it. Then fourth one, she's family files a police complaint about the strange man who disguised himself as Chaitra online. Then fifth one, I will ask her to speak to the friend only after verification of the person's identity. This is the answer for fifth one. Then sixth one, the answer is I would immediately inform my parents about the issue. Then seventh one, 21453. Write it down, 21413. Rearrange it and write it down in the lines given. Then 8th one answer is always be careful while using social media. Never share your personal information unnecessarily. Think twice before you do post something. Keep your account settings private and your surfing sites. Be careful while sharing email ID. Don't share your passwords to any third party sites. This is the answer for 8th one. Then 9th one, Jaya, her 8th standard student studying in government high school, is a school people leader. The superintendent of police crime branch was invited in inaugurate the cyber safety club as a chief guest. The headmaster invited the chief guest. There was a huge applause from the gathering. The chief guest then gave information about cyber safety and security and creates awareness among students in a speech. Finally, the club secretary presented the vote of thanks. This function to an end with a crowd singing national anthem. Then 10th one, to prevent young children from being threatened by cyber frauds, a set of things have to be followed. Follow parents' rules before you do anything in social media. Ensure your safety first. If you face any trouble, seek help from 1098. It is a responsibility of every citizen to follow these set of rules to be responsible citizen. Then worksheet 19. First one, H option. Second one, B option. Third one, never be greedy. Fourth one, I like the farmer's character the most. The poor farmer was not greedy as the king. He used the pot to satisfy his needs. Once he knew about the pot, he handed it over to the king's treasury. Fifth one, the answer is I would use it for the welfare of people who are in need. I will use the pot to help the needy people. Then sixth one, Rani Lakshmibai to the bravest Indian leader. She led a huge army and never gave up. She kept fighting for the freedom till her last breath. Then your seventh one, B option. Eighth one, it blooms once in 12 years. Ninth one, Sudarshan trip to Munnar was 3-day trip. He visited National Park, Devi Kulam Lake and also Marayur village. 10th one, I visited Mysore last year. Since I went in winter, the climate was very cool. The Mysore and monuments nearby astonished me. We even went to amusement park. Answer for the 10th one. Then worksheet 19. Where are you going? Question mark the answer. Then your jump, bought, put. Then third one, D option. Fourth one, D option. And fifth one, knowing, capital K. And in Highland, you should put comma. Here, two quotation and your comma, well after comma, your full stop. N should be capital and your full stop and close the quotation. Answer for fifth one. Then sixth one, B, it is raining. D, wants to. Priya did not like coffee. Here, where Priya did not like coffee, it is raining, wants to. Seventh one, instead of start you should write starts. Roll, rolled. Then C, drive, driving. Then eighth one, we were surprised to hear the news. Second one, It is better to accept your mistakes. Then ninth one, write it down. Instead of works, you should write worked. He is, not he was. Your starts, started. Lives, lived. Is, was. Helps, helped. Tells, told. Likes, liked. Is, was. Then your 10th one, the children are playing at the beach. The boy is building castle with sand. Two girls are playing with the ball. A small girl is resting under an umbrella. Then worksheet 21. First one B option. Second one, here the major roles of firefighter. Here, do you have any other responsibilities? C, how do you create awareness? And third one, ecology enriches our world and is crucial for human well-being and prosperity. Fourth one, he is a chief educational officer. He is responsible for managing the overall education of a district. His major roles includes promotion, inspection, managing, etc. Then fifth one, have you heard Kanyakumari? Then sixth one, A option. Then seventh one, it's popularized in the late 19th century by Indian Hindu monk Swami Vivekananda. Then eighth one, her dreams mean goals or ambitions. Eighth one. Then ninth one, why did you choose to become a doctor? They has to write the questions which are asked in interview for doctors. Why do you choose to become a doctor? What are the unique and different skills you have as a doctor? Why does medical department interest you? What is your professional experience as a doctor? When were you most satisfied with your job? These are the answers for ninth one. Then 10th one, ticket, too much of anything is good for nothing. This is the correct ticket. They told to correct the proverb. So correct proverb is too much of anything is good for nothing. First one. Then worksheet 22. First one B option. Second one, we sang national anthem together to show our solidarity. Third one, I never left alone whenever she needed support. Then B, I take her to vacation along with my family. C, I helped her to take care of her mom and when she was ill. This is the answer for third one. And fourth one, B option. Fifth one, B option. Then sixth one, the answers are The Secret Sevens, yes. Fiction, Enil Blyton. Hollanol publication, Friends Find Their Lost Day. Yes, yes, they are realistic. Yes, yes, I heard there could be some added mystery. Then 7 friends solving mystery together. Yes, these are the answers for sixth one. Rate the book. They asked to rate the book, so you can color it to 4 or 5. 5 stars given. You can color it. Then 7th one, hazardous. They told to find the dictionary meaning. So dangerous. Then 8th one, delighted. Underline the delighted word and write overjoyed. Then 9th one, habitual. They were habitual to drink coffee every morning. Then 10th one, electricity is one of the most important blessings that science has given to mankind. These are the answers. We have completed English workbook. So please share and comment if you needed anything and subscribe. Thank you.